What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? With y'all, what's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video. Track day, man. With MEECH, we taking MEECH out today. I ain't have to do nothing to it. I got a half tank of gas in it, so I said, you know what? Racing gas. So I said, man, let's go to the track, test the tune night, because we got to get this thing back dialed in and all that good stuff anyway. So we're going on 24, man, so I can get it back figured out, situated. Me and wife taking a trip. And we're going to see what it do, y'all. We're going to see what it do. See how the track doing all that good stuff. So I'm finna get this nag bagged out. Gonna get it loaded up on the trailer and check back in, man. So y'all stay tuned. We checking in. We all loaded up, ready to roll. And I done built me a carburetor right before we left. So for a customer. So man, we're finna have a good productive day. Let's see what old MEECH do. And hopefully we have a good report, man. Y'all stay down, we checking in. Y'all see we made it. This how I like it. Look at that. Ain't nobody here right now. I'm finna get, boy, I can't move fast enough. I started teasing when I came through the gate. I said, boy, I told wifey we got a private track rental, and they didn't even have to pay for a private track. But I know how it is, man. People are following here later on, so we finna do what we gotta do. And I get back early. No, I get back to work, man, on these knocking these carburetors out. So now we here today testing, like for real, testing. So hopefully we see some things, y'all, but let me get this thing unloaded. I turn y'all on. All right, y'all, we checking in. So we make the first hit, motor hit always to see, feel the track out. Nobody here. Then we might let it eat a little bit. So let's see how it goes. the second, it like second gear not engaging. But then, you know, coming back around, I can feel it, but it definitely slipped. It definitely slipped. So something going on. I'm finna try another motor hit. And man, the car actually felt pretty good, like it was finna go on a nice hit, but when it slipped out of gear, they kind of killed it. So I don't know, man. We're gonna see what happened, and I'm gonna try another one. And if this don't go right, y'all know obviously we gotta pack up, cause that means we got a problem. But that's why you come to test, find out, cause we got a problem, man. We can get it back to showtime and see what happened, inspect it and all that. So y'all stay tuned. Finna check the tire pressure and turn y'all back on. All right, y'all, we checking in. So the transmission is, I just got off the phone with DJ. There he is. Look at him. It's the 8-ball transmission here. But yeah, man, we got some problems. So it ain't got no second gear right now. It's straight first and third. But DJ said he already think he got an idea. One thing in there, thought should have held up, but I think he done overpowered that one thing. So I'm gonna get it to him next week or 2-3 days. Y'all know he gonna do what he do, and then we'll be back. But man, it was definitely looking good tonight. It was looking good tonight. 60 was looking good and all that. But that mid 330, when right before you hit second gear, it ain't there. So it's killing it. It killing it. First pass, it red line, y'all heard it. Which y'all seen it by now, but it red line, and I came off of the gas and then saw it went in the third and finished the race. Second pass, I got off the gas when I was getting ready to shift the second because I didn't want it to red line. I wanted to kind of feel the transmission out, and it still didn't engage. So I like, okay, ain't no need to keep beating on it, and then we test something further up. So we got it loaded up. I'm finna strap it down, and we're gonna get it back showtime, y'all. But this is why you test. This is why you test. You don't wait until something going on and then this happened. This would have happened, because y'all see it happen the first pass. But other than that, we're ready to roll. I just hate it because we were gonna put one down because it was doing some good 60 foots, man. Like, we're gonna put one down and the car feeling good. But it's part of the game, y'all. It's part of the game. So I'm gonna get this thing strapped down, man, and turn y'all on in a minute. All right, y'all. So look, I'm putting the trailer rounds in, and I know that both of the things done broke. That one was broke. Now that hanger broke, so I gotta go see Jesse too. Well, we'll get that straight too, man. So part of it, man. This over here vibrate everything loose, man. But we're gonna get it together. All right, y'all, we checking in. Made it back home. Got everything unhooked. About to pull meats back in right quick. And I go over everything with y'all. Well, we got to get to the store for a second. They got doing meats. Hold on. I need the light. They're doing meats, boy. He want to show out, but in the wrong way. It's all good. Part of the game, y'all. Let's get this joker put up. And check back in. All right, y'all, we checking in. So it's the next day. I got everything put up. So y'all seen how the day was, man. It's a pretty short vlog, cause we got some transmission problems. Probably simple. I'm pretty sure it's fairly simple. Said it just ain't got no second gear. I don't get stuff. Doing no multitasking right now though, y'all. It just ain't got no second gear, man. Second ain't there. And you can see it redline and stuff and all of that. The first pass, second pass went back out there. I kind of got off of it, but I said it ain't got no second. It ain't there. So I already talked to DJ, man. We going to the doctor. You know, he gonna get it right, man. It ain't no worries. Like I said, this stuff happens. It's showtime, power forever. This stuff happens. This part of racing, man. You get new stuff tear up. Same thing when you go into a builder. Understand, man, like stuff happens. Your car, you can put the right stuff in there, your car still just do what it want to do. You can get stuff brand new out of Summit. Guess what? Somebody or a machine builds that stuff. So you know, stuff happens. But I'm not worried about it. So I know probably the middle of next week or something like that, man, DJ gonna be like, hey, G, bring it on. A day or two later, he'll be sending me a video. That's how he work, man. And we're gonna get this thing straightened out. But on another note, the weather was good. MEECH was finna go, man, on motor. Like, it felt good the first pass. Said 60 foot went to bed, but it was better than what I started out with the previous week, you know, when we took MEECH. And then that second one, that 60 foot looked even better. I was like, man, this joker gonna ride. Well, it was gonna ride. But we'll take it back, man. We'll get it together. I was going back and forth. I was like, should I put the radius on? Should I take it on the foes? But I got goals to accomplish on both tires. So I was like, man, you know what? Like me and wife were talking about, I said, let's go ahead and accomplish what we trying to accomplish on the foes first. And then we're gonna go accomplish what we need to accomplish on the radials. The big showdown, that's gonna be it, the radials, which I really want to see when I let that thing eat on the full pass. And I'm gonna start back taking Dolo out too, because I haven't even let Dolo eat on a full 100% pass either. You know, that car got like 100 extra horsepower in it, man. So I'm definitely want to see what old Dolo do on everything and out the back door. So coming soon, man. When I say out the back door, I don't mean no quarter mile. No people think this quarter mile. I mean that's just full tip boogie, everything. I mean nothing spared. So yeah, man. But hey, this is a short vlog, man. But you know, still happen. We're gonna continue this. I'm gonna give y'all an update when we go to showtime and all that. And I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG. We out.